Hi there, let's reset the TP Link Deco S7 Wi-Fi mesh system. But quick heads up, if you have some problems with this device, first of all try to reboot but not reset, because if you reset you lose all your settings. So open your Deco application, tap on your mesh system and tap on the certain device you wish to reset, then tap on these three dots and tap on reboot. And if it didn't work and you still have the Wi-Fi speed issues or connection problems, you need to do hard reset. In this case, face the bottom of your main Deco and find the reset button. It's in small hole and it's labeled reset. So grab a pin and push the button in this hole until you hear a soft click. Now you see the blinking indicator on the top. It means the reset is on our way. And of course you need to reset all your decos, all your units, because secondary units cannot work without the main. So now look at the indicator on your main Deco. Once it started blinking blue, you can set up your mesh system from scratch. And that's it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and thanks for watching. Bye.